I personally love Plumeria plants and trees. I grow them here in Austin and we sell them at our garden store. The most important thing to remember wherever you are and what zone you're in is that they're not a frost hardy plant. They're a tropical plant. So when you get below 35 is kind of my rule of thumb, below 35 degrees, if they're in a container, you want to uproot them and what we call bare root. So you're completely removing all of that soil around the root system. All the leaves are going to drop off your plant and it's going to look like what would be like a dead stick, but it's not. It's just going dormant. Completely normal and natural for areas like me who have below freezing temperatures multiple times throughout the year. Now, if you're in a zone that is not freezing, go ahead and feel free to plant that Plumeria directly into the ground and allow for a really beautiful growing tree like you might see someplace in Hawaii or Costa Rica or something like that. But here where you have freezes like us down in the south side, we need to keep them in containers and be able to move those containers inside in the winter months, or like I have done, uprooting them and bare rooting them and allow to overwinter. Come spring, you'll replant them in fresh new soil, use a slow release fertilizer, water them well, and within 2 weeks, you're going to start to see new growth and blooms right away.